In this video, I want to focus on our attention on force displacement graph. Now, force displacement graph is under one aspect of JAMB syllabus under work, energy, and power that you must cover very well. And this part actually what gives students a lot of headache. So I want to take time to explain it for you. So please watch the end. Make sure you watch this video today, because by the end of this video, you should be able to master these things very well. So let's look at what the first one. Right? They say determine the work done on the block when moved to a distance of 5 meters. Now we talk about force displacement graph. That is the graph is between the y and the x. The y-axis is what is force. The x-axis is what is the distance. Right? Now, when a graph is given to you, first of all, you have to look at the shape of that graph. Like if you look at the first one here, you have our force, you have our distance. So they are asking you to look for the work done. How do you calculate the work done? The work done is the area of that shape of the graph. The area of the shape of the graph, because when you draw it, you're going to have a shape. For example, if they ask here, what is this shape of this graph here? It's a rectangle. Just like what is a rectangle. Now, what is the area of a rectangle? The area of a rectangle is what is base times height, right? Base times height. So just like when you have this one like this, here's what is base, here's what is the height, right? Base times height, base times height, right? So now, here is going to be my base. So my base is what is my distance. My base is what is my distance. While my height is my force. Just so the work done is what work done is what is shape of rectangle. Shape of rectangle, and the shape of the rectangle is what is base times what height. Is okay, which what base times height. So if you want to look at this one here, what is my base? My base here is what is 5 because from here to here, because this way start, this way stop for the base. Now this way start, this way stop in base. So my base here, you can just say B is base and H is what is height. My B is what is 5 meter. My H is what is 20 Newton. This is that 20 Newton. So that is my work done. That's going to be what? My work done is going to be what? 5 meter times what? 20 Newton. It's going to give you what? Let us say it's going to give you what? 100 Newton meter. Newton meter is also the same thing as joules. Right? So you can say just all 100 joules. Now let me rearrange this stuff here. Now let us say, I want to change it here so that you can just do it for me. Let us say is 15. Here we have 40. Let's say it's 40 just and let's say from here to here, let us say we have let us say 13. So go ahead and calculate the work done. Go ahead, leave your answer at the comment section. So let's look at this other one here. Let's look at what the big part. Q. If you look at Q here, now look at the diagram here. If you look at the diagram here, right? Now, using the displacement time diagram. So using the force displacement diagram, calculate the work done. Here you are going to calculate the area. So that is, remember, if I shade this place like this, you want to get right angle triangle. Just I have to get something like this. It's okay. Over the shade here, still going to be the same here. So now let us take some here. That is, what is the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is what is half base times what height. The area of a triangle is what is half base times height. So the work done, let's say work done with a shape. Which is what is shape. This is what is shape. So going to be what? Half times base times what? Height. So my base, remember, I told you my base is what is distance here. So my B is what is 20 meter, right? My height, which is what this is what my height, which is 100 Newton, right? So if you plug it there, here we have half times my base is what is 20 times my height is what is 100. So this going to this one here, we have what 10, right? 10 times 100 is what is 1000 1000 joules. You can see how easy it is. So let me not change value here. Let us say here we have 2 and here we have 6. Now let us say here we have what 25. Here we have what 25. Let me not change here. Leave your answer at the comment section. Leave your answer at the comment section. Just you can see how easy it is. Let's move to the next one. Let's look at what the last one. Now you have this one here. So this one is a little bit complex, right? So how do you solve this? Now I have done a complete video in explaining this one here. So if you want to learn how to solve this kind of question, there's a link in the description below that will take you to go join my membership to see where I solve these ones. Now, once you join my membership, there are some exclusive videos that will be present that for only members that will be available to those people who is join my member. You are joining the member just to support my YouTube channel. Just although I create video, but there are some students who are supporting my YouTube channel. They pay monthly to support my YouTube channel, probably to buy data and feed and the rest. Just because running YouTube data consumption is very, very high. So this type of complex questions, exam possible questions, exam study will be available to them. Just so go to the link below. You see a link that will take you there to watch this class here. Now, for those of you who really want to prepare very well, like you need a systematic class for JAMB 2026 exam, now join my private class. My private class starts today, which is what is 5th of January. Now the fee is 29,000 one-time payment. So please don't come to my DM asking what is the price or how much is the fee. I'm just telling you now that the fee is what? The fee is 29,000 one-time payment. We also solve questions like this in our private group. Do you understand? This video will be available for those guys who will join that. Our class, we have math, chemistry, physics, biology. I'll learn every single day. Today we are starting from the very beginning, very beginning. So if you want to join the class, send me a message on WhatsApp and join that class. But if you don't want to join that class and you want to watch this video and some other exclusive video I'll create for just members, join my community. Do you understand? To see exclusive videos meant for only membership. If this video is helpful, please leave a comment section. This video is helpful. Please kindly share this video so I can get to other persons. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.